In a bright workshop, a seasoned fixer charts a budget-friendly path for reviving a neglected laptop and a cracked smartphone through careful diagnostics. They demonstrate practical, step-by-step checks from battery health to screen connectors, emphasizing safety and low-cost replacement parts. The guide shares data-driven decisions, prioritizing common failure points and showing viewers how to source affordable parts without compromising reliability. Viewers learn confidence-building tricks like soldering basics, flux use, and testing methods that keep mistakes small and affordable. By the end, the audience sees how DIY repairs empower savings while turning everyday gadgets into reliable tools again.